Okay, so from my list of apps, I'm going to go to Google to use Google Lens. And up here in the search bar, the icon on the right-hand side, it looks like a camera. It's to the right of the microphone icon. Click on that. It's going to open up this screen. And I'm going to click on the shutter. It has a search icon on it. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to center this. Google is going to start pulling up matches. Now, where it says add to your search, I normally don't do anything there because I usually find plenty of examples of what I'm looking for. But I've already searched these and I know that these are pretty special. So I am going to add the fact that there's a sticker on the bottom that says that they were made in Japan, because there is one. Japan whiskey. What's that? Okay. All right, so now we're looking at all of these cat salt and pepper shakers. And at the bottom, you'll see Google asks me, are these results useful? And they are. So I'm going to click on yes, and they always thank you for helping improve their processes. Okay, here, as you can see, there is only one that's coming up immediately that looks exactly like mine. I'm not familiar with this site, but it says pick click over here on the left. Let's see what happens when we visit this site, because these are exactly like mine. Vintage tall cats and tall dogs salt and pepper shaker sets Japan. Let's see if it's on here. There's definitely some cute ones. I don't see mine. Oh, I like those. I like the ones where their heads are tilted to the side. Okay, here's a pair that's not exactly like mine, but similar. And these are called Mid-Century Modern Siamese salt and pepper shakers. They are pricing them at $50 plus $7 shipping. Okay. I mostly only look at Etsy and eBay when I'm trying to find comparables for price information or for brand information. So I'd like to go to one that's on Etsy. Okay, here's one. They're not exactly like mine, but they're similar. Vintage tall cat salt and pepper shakers, Etsy, in stock. All right, so let's see what they're saying about them. Low in stock, only one left. This seller probably only has one of these. These are not like mass-produced items or anything like that. It is a true vintage item from the 1950s. It ships from Georgia, which is where I live, so my shipping shouldn't be too terribly much. Let's see how much the shipping is. The shipping is $11. Okay, so these aren't $62. These are $62 plus $11.13 for shipping. So, good information. I also have to consider what my customer is willing to pay. I do think that I would have better luck selling my salt and pepper shakers on Etsy, but I don't have an Etsy shop. I have a store, a brick and mortar antique booth. So no one in our store really is going to pay upwards of $60 for a set of salt and pepper shakers. When you're selling online, you have an audience of people who are looking for exactly that one thing. And so that means that you can find your people and that they are willing to pay more because they want that exact thing. They want mid-century cat salt and pepper shakers. When you're selling at an antique store, you have to consider again what your customer is willing to pay. I would have to price these probably no more than $28 to $32 for the pair. So that is Google Lens, and that's how I use it to help price my items.